So let's get started right here at the table saw. Now, a lot of woodworkers consider the table saw to be the center of their workshop. And, you know, physically for me, the center of my workshop is right about here where this ductwork comes down that is for the dust collection on this. So as much as I hate to say it, the table saw really is the center of my workshop. Here I'm using the Hammer K3 for this demo, but honestly this demo will really not be limited to sliding table saws. It's going to be pretty all-encompassing. So whether you have a tabletop model, a job site saw, or an industrial style saw, it's going to be good for that.